Alrighty, we got the track that's off on the dozer right here. Got the backhoe set up over here. Help me push, pull on it, whatever I need to do. The first thing that we need to do is get the tensioner. There's a check valve in there. I'll show you in a second. We're gonna get that out. We're gonna hook a chain to the track, and I'm gonna pull it with the backhoe, and we're gonna get all the grease squished out of it. It's gonna make kind of a mess, but we'll squish all that grease out, and that'll give us max slack on the tracks. And then from there, we'll see if first I'm going to try walking it on, and if not, then we'll go from there and proceed to get it on. So one way or another, we'll have track on before you know it. All right, so I already loosened this off. Now there's a grease cert right on top here. Dang it, I gotta go get sockets. There's a grease cert here, and then underneath of it, there's a check valve. Look down here, see this part down here? That part comes out, and that's a bigger check valve. So I gotta get that out. I gotta go get some sockets real quick though. All right, 6 3/4 inch socket. You wanna be careful not to get a lot of dirt or anything in there. Just a grease cylinder for, you know, tensioning the track, but any grease or crap that dirt rather that we get in there could just potentially damage the seals. Okay, there you go, and that's that check valve. So we're gonna put this somewhere safe. We'll put the grease cap back on there until we get ready to actually pull on it. Just a few threads to get the make sure it's covered so that dirt doesn't get down in there. That's all the slack we can get in there. You can kind of see a pile of grease over here that just made. Like I said, we make kind of a mess. It was pulling the entire dozer downhill. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is already started up on top. Can you see that? Okay. I have to work my chain back out of there. I'm gonna set this up. So my plan was to actually turn the dozer sideways. So one side of the track still drives. Okay, this might actually work. Huh. And then try to walk the track back on. So I'm gonna reset my chain somewhere out of the way. So the plan this whole time was to try walking the track back on, but I thought I was gonna have to move the dozer. Look at this, so this is already where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna reset this chain so that I can pull on it this way. We'll reset the backhoe kind of off this direction so that I'm pulling that way. And I'm gonna pull on it, and then I'll fire the dozer up, and we'll turn that drive sprocket. We'll see if it'll walk itself back up. I can't believe it, but I think this is gonna work. I can't believe I didn't record that part. But I've got the track kind of halfway sitting on the sprocket where it goes. quite done, but it worked. Almost forgot about that chain. See, I gotta fix that. But I think that's gonna be enough that I can go ahead and back it on out of here and get it out of the creek anyway. So I'm gonna try that. I don't know where to put you guys. Woohoo! Yeah, so just back in the pasture. We'll have to kind of walk the track around to get it on the sprocket right, and I'll have to fill it back up full of grease. Dang it. I forgot to put the cap back on there. Now it's all full of mud. That's right, we'll dig it out. Anyway, and then tighten her all back up. So I'm gonna leave her right there. Let's go get my truck and the backhoe out of there. And problem solved.
See that right there, folks? That's why you own a backhoe. Woo! Put some grease in there. Those will be ready to go. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
Wouldn't you know it? Lost my grease gun. What the? Wouldn't you know it? Both of them are in the truck that I brought to find the grease gun. I got 2 of them. Here they are. Figures.